Hello students, let's start computer class. Open your books. On page number 44, lesson number 4, algorithms and flowcharts. In the previous class, we have discussed features of a flowchart and example 1, process of making tea. Topic we will discuss today, connectors, types of connectors. Objectives. Its main objective is to connect the various parts of flowchart. Now let's discuss about connectors. Connectors are used to connect one part of flowchart to another. There are two types of connectors. First is on-page connector. Second is off-page connector. Now we will discuss about these two connectors. The first is on-page connector. On-page connector is used to join the parts of a flowchart contained within the same page. Now we will see it with the help of an example. Here in this example, you can see a circle here, that is on-page connector. It is used to join the parts of flowchart that is on the same page. Here we will discuss this algorithm. The first is start, then we will give the input, that is input x. Then there is a condition, if x is greater than 5, and if this condition will true, then we will get the message, wow, that's one big number you have got there. And if this condition will false, then you get the message, gosh, that sure is a teeny tiny number. So this is the first part of the flow chart. In the second part, we have written input x and then end. Now these two parts are connected with the help of the on-page connector. Second is off-page connector. Off-page connector is used to join the paths of a flowchart on the different pages. See in this example, we have the flowchart on two pages. To join these parts of flowchart, we will use off-page connector. Here at the left side you can see there is an end of page 1, and at the bottom of page 1 we have used off-page connector. Then there is a start of page 2, and at the starting of the page 2 on the top we use off-page connector. So this way we can join the parts of flowchart that are on different pages. In this, the connector at the end of the page 1 directly connects with the connector that is on the starting of page 2. Now look at your book, page number 47. There is example of flowchart, example 2. Calculate the sum, difference and product of two numbers. Now we will discuss this flowchart. Let's discuss calculate the sum, difference and product of two numbers. As we know, flowchart is divided into three parts. First we will give input, then there will be processing instructions, and at the end we will get output. Here the first instruction start. After the start we will give input two numbers A and B. Then in the processing we will give sum equals to A plus B, and in the output we will get print sum. Similarly for the difference equals to A minus B. then print difference. For the product, product equals to A multiply B, and then output will be print product. At the last, there will be stop. So today we have discussed connectors, types of connectors, and example 2 of flowchart. Calculate the sum, difference and product of two numbers. Now practice this flowchart at home.